Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about LeetCode 234, palindrome linked list. So what's a palindrome? There's a definition here. So a palindrome is a sequence that reads the same forward and backward. For example, for this one, if you read it forward, it'll be 1 2 2 1, right? And if you read it backward, it will also be 1 2 2 1. So this is a palindrome. For this example, if you read it forward, it'll be 1 2, and if you read it backward, it'll be 2 1. So this is not a palindrome. In order to do this question, you can basically have two pointers, the first pointing to the first element and then the second pointing to the last element here. And for the first iteration, you can check if they are the same. So if they are the same, you can continue and check, move the left pointer here and then the right pointer here. So if you checked it, and if they're also the same, you can continue move. However, if there's like two elements that are not the same, you can just return false. However, since this question is a linked list and it's not in an array format, so we can't directly access the elements, like the last elements, and we don't know how long the linked list is. So the approach for this one will be, we have to add all the nodes inside the linked list, so the value to an array. So basically converting a linked list to an array. After we convert it to an array, we can finally perform the checking here. So for example, if this is the linked list, so this is the linked list, right? And you will have one pointer. At first, you have to convert it to an array. So here, the first one, the value is 1. So just add it to an array, 2 add it to an array, 2 add to an array, and 1, and so on. So that's basically the approach of it. And now we'll be moving to codes. So at first, you have to create a pointer to look through the linked list and put all the values inside the array, right? So we'll create a current node. You'll be pointing to head, and then we'll create an array. So while current is still pointing to a node, you will add the value of the current node to the array, and then you will move the current node. And after this, we already have the linked list converted to an array. And now we just have to create a left pointer and a right pointer. So 0 and length result minus 1. While left is less than right, means we have to keep checking. If result or left does not equals to here, so it means that it's not a palindrome here. We can just return false. However, if they are the same, we can move left pointer and right pointer. In the end, if this loop breaks, it means that it means that this is a palindrome, right? So we can just return true. And when you run this, it's accepted. And that's it for this video. Thank you.